Starting with Facebook ads, now called Meta ads, is a fantastic way to find new customers. Here is a simple step-by-step guide for a complete beginner, focusing on the essential setup in your very first campaign. Phase 1. The foundation. Do this before you spend money. Before you can create an ad, you need 3 key things in place. Create a Facebook business page. You cannot run ads from a personal profile. You must have a Facebook business page. If you don't have one, it's free and easy to set up. This page represents your business and is what your ads will be linked to. Set up a Meta Business Suite account. This is your central hub for all your business activities on Facebook and Instagram. Go to Link to Facebook and log in with your personal Facebook account. Follow the prompts to create your business account. It will ask you to link your business page and, if you have one, your Instagram account. This suite is where you'll find your Meta Ads Manager, the tool you will use to create and manage all your ads. Install your Meta Pixel, crucial for tracking. This is the most important step that beginners often skip. What it is, the Pixel, now technically a dataset, is a small piece of code you put on your website. What it does, it tracks what users do after they click your ad. It tells Facebook who visited your site, who added a product to their cart, and who actually purchased. This is how you measure if your ads are working and how Facebook's AI learns to find more people likely to buy from you. How to do it? In your business suite, go to Events Manager. It will give you a piece of code and provide simple, step-by-step instructions for popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Squarespace, often just by copy-pasting an ID, no real coding required. Phase 2. Understanding the 3-level ad structure. All Meta ads are built in a simple hierarchy. Understanding this is key to not getting confused. Campaign. This is the goal of your ad. When you start, Facebook will ask what your objective is. Are you trying to get sales, leads, e.g., email signups, or traffic, clicks to your website? Ad set. This is who you're targeting, how much you'll spend, and where your ad will show up. Audience. I want to target women aged 30 to 50 in Texas who are interested in yoga. Budget. I want to spend $10 per day. Placements. Show my ad on Facebook feed and Instagram stories. Ad. This is the actual creative, what people see. It's the image, the video, the ad copy, text, and the Shop Now or Learn More button. Simple analogy. Campaign equals the overall mission, e.g., get new customers. Ad set equals the specific strategy, e.g., targeting yoga fans in Texas with a $10 per day budget. Ad equals the messenger, e.g., a video of our new yoga mat with a 10% off code. Phase 3. A step-by-step guide to your first campaign. Here is the simple, step-by-step process inside your Meta Ads Manager. Step 1. Click the green Create button. In your Ads Manager, click the big green plus Create button to start a new campaign. Step 2. Choose your campaign objective. Facebook will ask you to choose from 6 objectives. As a beginner, you will most likely use one of these 3. Sales. Choose this if you have an e-commerce store and you want people to buy something. Leads. Choose this if you want to collect customer information, like an email address for a newsletter or a phone number for a consultation. Traffic. Choose this if your main goal is just to get people to visit your website or a blog post. This is generally less effective for making sales. Step 3. Name your campaign. Give your campaign a clear name, e.g., Sales, New Customers, Q4 2025. Click Next to move to the ad set. Step 4. Set up your ad set, audience, placements, budget, audience. This is where you define who sees your ad. You can target by location, e.g., United States, United Kingdom, age, e.g., 25 to 45, gender, e.g., all, men, women. Detailed targeting. This is the most powerful feature. You can add interests, behaviors, and demographics, e.g., interests, yoga, Lululemon, meditation. Placements. This is where your ad shows. As a beginner, it is highly recommended to select Advantage Plus Placements. This lets Meta's AI automatically show your ad where it's most likely to get results, e.g., Facebook feed, Instagram stories, Reels, etc. Budget and schedule. Choose a daily budget. A great starting point for beginners is $5 to $10 per day. Let your ad run for at least 3 to 4 days to give Facebook's AI time to learn. Step 5. Create your ad. The creative. This is the final step, where you design the ad itself. Identity. Select your Facebook page and Instagram account. Ad setup. Choose Create Ad and select a format. Single image or video is the most common and effective. Ad creative. Media. Upload your image or video. A vertical, 9:16, video for Reels and Stories is highly recommended. Primary text. This is the main ad copy that appears above your image. Make the first line catchy. Headline. This is the bold text that appears next to your call to action button, e.g., get 10% off your first order. Call to action. This is the button. Choose the one that matches your goal, e.g., shop now, learn more, sign up. Step 6. Publish and be patient. Click the green Publish button. Your ad will go into review, usually a few minutes to a few hours. Once approved, it will be active and will enter the learning phase. During the learning phase, Facebook's AI is testing your ad with different people to learn who responds best. It's crucial that you do not make any major changes to the ad for the first few days, as this will reset the learning process. That's it. You've successfully launched your first Facebook ad.